Okay guys, kanta tayo. English na naman to. Subukan ko lang at ako'y mahini sa English. Subukan na natin guys kung kakayanin sa power. At lalo na may ubo tayo guys. If my love wasn't here with me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while. But I'll love you the same.